They're in the water. But they'll die if they don't have any sand. Yeah. Serious.
Please pull it up. Pull it up, please. Please pull it up.
Yeah, they need that shade. They need that shade. Let's put a shoe hat so they can have some shade. Yeah. I'm trying to get out. I want to get out. Get out. That was a trick. That was a trick. I thought it was a trick.
Pick it up, please.
They're all trying to get out except one.
For the back, right behind his claws. Right. Okay. He's right up here behind his claws. He's trying to get you. Right behind his claws.
Hey, Papa Bear.
This is the life. The life of Riley.
You're not getting me home.
Not getting you home.
I have to pry my dead fingers off of the house up here.
I'm a championship at this.
Championship?
I know.
And you're humble
double
too.
one.
That's the important thing.
Hey, but you got it to be a champion.